Hello, future crypto millionaires. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on Solana. This is your last chance to join our Telegram group for free because in just a few days, it becomes a paid group. But right now, you can still lock in lifetime access at zero cost. This is my gift to those of you supporting the channel early. Once the switch happens, new members will have to pay. The earlier you join, the cheaper it is, and your price always stays locked in as long as you remain in the group. It's a no-brainer, guys. Look at this. A few days ago, I gave you auction. Boom, 310% up. Yesterday, I gave you peanut. Look at it today. 28% up, and it's not done yet, guys. We are waiting to see if the price action is going to bounce at this key level of support and then continue moving higher. We might see an even greater move out of peanut in the coming days. This group helps you scan the crypto market every day, so you don't have to guess which altcoins are about to move. It's perfect for experienced traders, but also for beginners trying to find their edge in a market full of thousands of coins. We are the fastest growing crypto community on YouTube, and you can still join for free. There is a link in the description below. Don't miss it. This is the chart. We are looking at SOL over USDT 1 hour chart. As you see here, we have this triangle pattern going on. We have this lower ascending yellow trend line that has been acting as support. As you see, the price action bounced here. We bounced here again. Another bounce here. 3 touches. Therefore, that's a very valid support trend line. And also, we have this upper horizontal line that has been acting as resistance. As you see, the price action got rejected here, another rejection here. As long as the price action is moving inside the pattern, we have to assume that it's going to continue moving inside the pattern until it breaks out. We might see a breakout to the upside or a breakout to the downside. Nobody knows what the price action is going to do, guys. We are not here to predict. We are here to react to what the price action is doing, and therefore, that's why we always make two plans: the bearish case scenario and the bullish case scenario. If the price action does this, then we are going to do that. If the price action does that, then we are going to do this. That's how it goes. So the bearish case scenario here would be for the price action to pull back and break below this lower ascending support trend line. If we see a breakdown, I expect to see further downside out of Solana. We might see a breakdown, a bearish retest, and a continuation move to the downside. For those of you who are familiar with how to short, you might want to consider opening a short position here and set up a stop loss somewhere inside the pattern just in case the price action decides to fake out, which is to break below and then come back inside the pattern. So you can get stopped out, take a small loss, and move on to the next trade, right? But as I always tell you, if you are a beginner, you should only focus on longing because shorting is risky. So that's what we're going to do now. I am not going to give you targets for a short position because I know most of you watching this channel are beginners. So we are going to focus on how to long this. The most aggressive way that you can trade this is to try to front run the breakout above this horizontal resistance. How do you do that? You are going to be watching the price action to see if it's going to pull back so you can buy as close as you can to this support and set up a stop loss somewhere below just in case the price action breaks down so you can get stopped out and move on to the next trade, right? Take a small loss. A small loss won't hurt you guys. It's in the game. But this is how you can trade this aggressively. Try to front run the breakout above this horizontal resistance by opening a position by buying Solana as close as you can to this key support trend line. Because as you see here, the price action bounced here, it bounced here, it bounced here again. Therefore, we might see a pullback and another bounce here. It's very, very possible. But for those of you who want to trade this in a safer manner, what I would do is I would wait for the price action to do its thing while it's moving inside the triangle pattern, and then when I see a breakout, boom, I would buy the breakout, buy the retest if it happens, and wait for a continuation move to the upside to hit the rest of the targets that I have here on the chart. The first target is located at $150, 150.61. The measured move from the breakout to this first target That's a 10% move, approximately. That's a very nice move out of Solana, guys. Solana has a market cap of 67 billion. It's a heavy token, a large cap. Therefore, it needs a lot of liquidity to flow into it in order to move. It's not going to move easily. So 10%, it's a very nice move out of Solana. Next target is located all the way up here at 166.73. That's a measured move of 22%, approximately, from the breakout. And the last target that I have here on the chart is located at $180. That's a 32% move after the breakout. Of course, if you decide to trade this in a more aggressive manner and you buy on a pullback all the way down here, if it happens, these measured moves are going to become even greater, guys. To the first target, that's an 18% move. Second target, that's a 31% move. And the last target, that's a 42% move. That's a 10% difference. That's why trying to front run the breakout can be riskier but more rewarding. Always make sure that you set up a stop loss, guys. Even if you buy the breakout, you should make sure that you set up a stop loss in order to manage your risk, because you might see a fake out. First of all, you might see the price action breaking out and then pulling back in. So if you don't have a stop loss, you might have to take a loss, right? You don't want to hold downtrends, especially you don't want to hold this because the price action after this pullback might break down. And then what are you going to do? You're going to get trapped, right? So setting up a stop loss is always important. This is the biggest mistake that beginners do. That's all I had for you today, guys. Let me know in the comments below, what is your price prediction for Solana for 2025? Also, make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel, click the like button, hit the bell icon so you receive notifications when I post updates on these setups, and make sure that you join the Telegram group. There is a link in the description below. As long as it's free, guys, it's still free. In a few days, our Telegram group becomes a paid group. So you are going to miss your chance to join for free, to get a free lifetime access at no cost if you don't join by the time we make the switch. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.